As you can see down here, we've got a bit of a flood. We're going to see what we can do with this little section here. Oh, it's so crazy.
Like it's breathing.
This is probably something to do with the flood. Cut some of this old pond liner that seems to be keeping a lot of the water in.
Yay, now we have a stream.
Our own little stream now. You can see down here we're finding all sorts of bits of cement. Not sure what this is.
What?
Oh, this is why it's probably flooding. So we've got a little stream going now. Well, this should help drain all of the water, hopefully, from this end of the garden.